Ciao everyone, welcome back to the Tradie Files. Before you grab that hose and climb up on your roof this weekend, stop. What you're about to do might seem like a good idea. You're looking after your investment. You want clean panels, more efficiency, more power, but there's a very good chance that cleaning your solar panels the wrong way will void your 25-year warranty. And that warranty is worth tens of thousands of dollars. I worked in solar. I've been on hundreds of roofs, and most homeowners have no idea this is even possible. Today I'm going to show you exactly what damages your warranty, what the fine print actually says, and what the smart way to look after your panels actually is. Let's get into it. Part 1. The microscopic damage trap. Here's the problem with cleaning solar panels yourself. Solar panel glass is not like normal glass. It has a special anti-reflective coating on it. That coating is what allows the panel to absorb maximum sunlight. Without it, your panels lose efficiency permanently, and that coating is very easy to damage. A regular garden hose on a hot day can crack the glass, not because the hose is too powerful, but because of thermal shock. The panels heat up in the sun. You spray cold water on them. The rapid temperature change causes tiny hairline fractures in the glass. You can't see them with your eyes, but they're there. An abrasive sponge, even a soft one, scratches the coating. Tap water leaves mineral deposits that actually reduce how much sunlight gets through. These things don't cause a problem today or next week, but over months and years, they add up. And when your panel fails early and you make a warranty claim, the manufacturer sends someone to inspect, and they find the scratches, and they find the mineral deposits, and they deny your claim. Just like that, your 25-year warranty is gone. Part 2. The warranty kill clauses. Most people never actually read their solar warranty. I don't blame them. They're long, they're boring, and they're full of legal language. But inside that document are clauses that can cancel your entire warranty, and most of them are about cleaning. Here's what most major manufacturers say in their warranty documents right now. Using a pressure washer voids the warranty, even a low pressure one. Using abrasive cleaning materials voids the warranty. Using harsh chemicals or standard household cleaners voids the warranty. Cleaning the panels while they're hot voids the warranty. Some manufacturers go even further. They require that any cleaning is done by a certified professional, not just anyone. A certified professional using approved methods and approved products. If you do it yourself, even gently, even carefully, you may not be covered. And here's the part that catches most people out. It's not just about whether you damage the panel, it's about whether you followed the maintenance rules in the contract. If you didn't, the manufacturer can walk away, even if the panel failed for a completely different reason. If you're new here, we post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. Perth time. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Part 3. What solar companies don't tell you. When you buy a solar system, the salesperson talks a lot about the 25-year warranty. What they don't tell you is how easy it is to accidentally cancel it. They don't tell you that your warranty may require you to register the panels within 45 days of installation. And if you miss that window, you lose coverage. They don't tell you that some warranties require the panels to stay connected to the internet permanently. If your Wi-Fi goes down for too long, your warranty conditions may not be met. They don't tell you that adding bird guards or critter protection around your panels, something most Perth homeowners do because of the wildlife, can void the warranty if the products aren't approved by the manufacturer. And they definitely don't tell you that the next time it storms and a panel gets damaged, the first thing the manufacturer will do is check your maintenance history. And if there's any evidence of improper cleaning, they will use that as grounds to deny your storm damage claim. This is not a conspiracy, it's just business. The warranty exists to protect the manufacturer as much as it protects you, and the fine print is written in their favor. Quick break, I'm actually the founder of LOCENTRA, an app that connects Australian homeowners with verified tradies. Check the link in the description. If you're an Australian homeowner looking for a trusted tradie, check out LOCENTRA. Unlike other platforms, every single tradie on LOCENTRA is manually verified before they can quote on your job. License, ABN, business registration, all checked. Post your job completely free, compare quotes, and message Tradies securely all in one place. And every time you complete a job, you earn reward points, redeemable for gift cards across Australian retailers. So you actually get something back just for using the platform. If you're a tradie, join free today and get 5 credits worth $25 when you're approved. No subscription fees eating into your margin every month. Just a fixed $5 per lead for jobs you actually want to quote on. And every tradie gets equal visibility. No one can pay to appear above you. Your work speaks for itself. Find the link in the description below.
Part 4. The real cost of avoided warranty. Let's talk numbers for a second. A typical home solar system in Australia costs between $8,000 and $15,000. The 25-year performance warranty means the manufacturer guarantees your panels will produce at least 80% of their rated output for 25 years. If they fail early, they replace them. That replacement could be worth $5,000 to $10,000 depending on the system. If your warranty is void, you pay that yourself. And solar panel failures do happen. Panels degrade, components fail, inverters stop working, storm damage occurs. These are real events that happen to real homeowners every year. The difference between a voided warranty and a valid one is tens of thousands of dollars, all because of how you cleaned your panels. Part 5. The smart hands-off approach. So what should you actually do? First, check your warranty document right now. Find the maintenance section. Read exactly what it says about cleaning. If you don't have it, contact your installer and ask for a copy. Second, let the rain do most of the work. In most parts of Australia, rainfall is frequent enough to keep panels reasonably clean without any intervention. Your output will tell you if there's a problem. Most systems have a monitoring app that shows daily production. If you see a consistent drop that can't be explained by weather, then it's time to clean. Third, when cleaning is needed, hire a professional who uses manufacturer-approved methods. That means deionized water, soft brushes, and no pressure washers, and ask them to give you a written record of the cleaning. Date, method, products used. Keep that record with your warranty documents. Fourth, for major dust problems between cleans, some companies now offer dry robotic cleaning systems that remove dust without any water or physical contact. No thermal shock, no scratches, no warranty risk. The goal is not spotless panels. The goal is maximum energy output with a valid warranty. Those are two different things, and knowing the difference could save you thousands. If this opened your eyes to something you didn't know, drop a like. It helps more homeowners find this before they make an expensive mistake. So there it is. Stop cleaning your solar panels until you've read your warranty. Know what voids it. Hire the right people when cleaning is needed, and keep records of everything. Your solar system is one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make for your home. The warranty is what protects that investment. Don't lose it over a garden hose. Thanks for watching. New video every Sunday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. See you then.